Okay, we have a 2016 Mitsubishi Pajero in really good working condition, but the steering wheel started making this strange noise, creaking. I'll show you what it sounds like. And it sounds like it's coming from right up here, but then I found out that in reality it's coming from the base of the steering column down there. So let's see how we get at that. Okay, so it turns out there's three little grommets in here that we're gonna have to undo. So one of them, let's see if we can show it, is there, another one there, and the last one's that one. So the one that's back here is sort of a screw thing. So we're gonna see if we can remove all three of them and take that cowling off. All right, trying one more time. So it turns out that if you just do one of the grommets on the side and the one in the back, you can pull this forward and you can actually see the steering column where it gets to that rubber joint. What I need to do is get grease in that rubber joint where the steering column hits the rubber. I'm going to try that. Okay, so the next step is you get a heavy duty grease like this one, less than $10 on Amazon. Get a bit on the end of your finger, and I just did it. All I did was get down here, reach in behind this cowling, and then put it up there at the base of the where the steering wheel rod comes into the rubber boot. Shove a bunch of it in there and really mush it around with your fingers so it's really lubricating it, and then sound is gone. Well done.